In this video I'm going to tell you a swimming technique you should learn as a beginner. My goal is to encourage you to take up swimming as soon as possible. Hi, my name is Adam from Going Swimming London and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about swimming techniques and all types of other swimming related stuff, start now by subscribing and click the bell so you don't miss anything. So which swimming technique should you learn as a beginner? Backstroke is definitely one of the easiest stroke to learn as a beginner because your whole face is out of the water, so you don't need to worry about breathing too much. And real quick before we get into it, which swimming technique did you think is the easiest to learn? Or which swimming technique did you learn as a beginner? Let me know down in the comments. Okay, so what are the steps to learn backstroke? I'm going to break this down to 16 steps. Step number 1. Have you got a fear of water? If so, watch my previous video called Fear of Water, How to Overcome It in 10 Steps. I will post the link down in the description. Step number 2. Practice looking up to the ceiling while your ears are in the water. Hold the edge of the pool with one hand. Slowly lower your head into the water and keep it back, so the water should get in your ears. Get used to this feeling and repeat it a couple of times. Step number 3. Raise your other arm up to the water level. Do it slowly and be relaxed. Step number 4. Bring one leg up and try to stay balanced. Step number 5. Bring the other leg up as well. Keep your legs away from each other. Keep your tummy up in the same time. If you find this step challenging, then ask a friend to hold your head or to support your upper body. Step number 6. Keep your body flat on the water. Keep your tummy up, keep your ears in the water, and look up 90 degrees all the time. Step number 7. Stop holding the edge of the pool and do a starfish float. You don't need to hold the edge anymore. Remember, the water gives you buoyancy. Try to make a starfish shape with your legs and arms. Nice one, you are floating now. Step number 8. Let's do a pencil float version 1. From the starfish float, move your legs together and move your arms close to your body. This is called a pencil float. Step number 9. Let's do a pencil float version 2. If you're up for a challenge, from the starfish float, slowly move your legs together and move your arms behind your head. This is the proper pencil float. Very important. Whatever you're doing on your back, you have to stay calm and relaxed all the time. Keep your head back, keep your tummy up, and only do slow movements. Step number 10. Now stand up from the floating position. Slowly bend your knees and let them sink down. Then put your feet down and stand up. Step number 11. Repeat these steps a couple of times until it gets easier. And remember, practice makes perfect. Step number 12. Start floating without holding the edge of the pool. Keep both of your arms on the water. Put your head back. Keep your ears in the water and look up. Then push your tummy and legs up. Step number 13. Flutter kicks. Kick your legs from the hips. Keep them straight and point your toes. Turn your feet inwards and your toes should brush each other. Step number 14. Do a pencil float Keep your arms by your side and do some flutter kicks. Try to keep your body flat all the time. Push your tummy up and remember to look up 90 degrees. Keep your ears in the water, and when you're kicking, keep your legs straight and point your feet. Step number 15. Start using your arms. Turn your hand out. Try to brush your ears with your arms and enter the water with your little finger. Step number 16. Congratulations! Now you know the basics of backstroke. Keep practicing. Stay tuned because in the future I'm going to upload videos of more advanced steps to perfect your backstroke efficiency. And if you want to hear more about swimming and all types of other swim related videos, start now by hitting the subscribe icon so you don't miss anything. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.